Okay, so here we have another Python project which is named as Pizza Shop. What we need to do, ask user about the size of pizza, whether they need small, medium, or large, set different prices for them, ask them if they want pepperoni. For small, pepperoni will be $2, for large, it will be $3, and for medium, it will be 3. Then ask if they want extra cheese. If yes, add $1 in existing bill. So we will start. Our initial bill variable will be 0. Then another variable name size. Data type will be string. We will ask our user to give their input, which pizza size do you want? Type L for large, M for medium, and S for small. And we will set whatever they enter, it will but it will convert it to lowercase. Okay, so now if size is small, right? Bill will be $15. I'll save size equal medium. Bill will be $20. I'll save size is large. Bill will be $25. Then we will else print a wrong invoice. Then we will ask if they want pepperoni to be added in their pizza, right? We will create another variable named pepperoni. Data type will be string. We will ask our user to give their input. Do you want pepperoni? Type Y for yes, and for no. And for then if pepperoni equal yes, then it will again check the size of pizza. Its size equal small bill plus equal $2. Else if size equal medium or size equal large, bill will be added with additional $3. Else what other letter the enter will give our own input error. Then after that we will ask if they want extra cheese, right? Extra cheese data will be string. We will ask our user to give their info. Do you want extra cheese? Okay, so type Y for yes and N for no. Lower cases if extra cheese equal yes, then bill will be added with additional $1 and print your total bill. We will use string. Your total bill is this bill. Else if extra cheese equal no, you can add this line if you want. If there is no need, else print wrong inputs. We will run our code. Okay, its size you want medium. Do you want pepperoni? Yes, I want. Do you want extra cheese? Yes, I want. The total bill is $24. But we set price for medium pizza 20. For pepperoni of medium size pizza $3. 20 plus 3 23 and extra cheese $1. So total bill is $24. You can make it more presentable by adding inputs to new line if you want. Yes, there is no need. So that's all. Thank you.